It's the Wandering Canucks, and we're at the Headland Hotel in New Quay, Cornwall. And we've been warned about the seagulls being naughty and brazen. In fact, we're not to leave the windows open when we're out of the room because they could come into the room and help themselves to whatever they think is their possession. We're going to see how close I can get to this guy before he might take off. I have a feeling he's quite accustomed to people, and he might let me actually get quite close. Yeah, he's looking at me. These birds are quite big when they're standing. From the ground up to the top of their head is about a foot in height. Doesn't seem to have too much fear of me on this side of the glass. Wonder if he knows he's a movie star. Oh, is he going to go away? He's probably enjoying himself sitting there in the sunshine on the window ledge. Ooh. I'm right up against the glass there. I'm only about a foot from him, and he's certainly not very bothered by me. Definitely used to being in close proximity to humans. He's not very bothered by us watching him. All right, adios amigos. It's the Wandering Canucks. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel, stay tuned for more videos.